Well, I end up here. I needed a little bit more work on my air conditioning heating course. You know, of course, I'm in the field right now, and I'm a little lacking on it. So I was sent here by my job, which is Ideal Impact, and perfect place. I mean, I've learned more in 2 weeks than I learned from Everest College, which I was there 9 months, and Tech Zone is where you want to be. In 2 weeks, it's really helped me out, really tightened me up on my air conditioning and heating skills, and really helped me out, man. Favorite part was, I guess, the lab time. You know, not only are you in the lab and you're getting explained what needs to be done and how it's done properly, but the instructor's right there with you. He's your left hand, and he really explains to you how things are supposed to go and how it really works. And it's really been helpful as far as me continuing my career in air conditioning heating. You know, when it comes to superheat and subcool and just HVAC in general, you know, he's just a perfect instructor. He's patient. He knows his stuff. You know, really good teacher. You know, really good teacher.
Good stuff. Anything else you want to say?
I suggest if you want to learn air conditioning and heating, Tech Zone is where you need to come to.